Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be doing a French manicure on my natural nails. As you see, I am starting out with a base slash top coat, and I am going to be putting that on my nails. Once that is done, I will be taking my white nail polish and I am going to be starting the French. So you could do this however you would like. Me personally, I like my French tips to go straight across, but if you would like, you just go ahead and start where you would like and then pull away from your nail. So the part you're trying to get is what is considered your free edge, and that is everything that goes past your finger. If you look here, you will see I stuck my pinky out to kind of support on my other nail, and I do that so that my hand that is painting the nail is more stable, not so shaky and wobbly, so that way it makes it easier for me to paint my nail. Once I complete that, I am going to do a second coat of just the white. Again, you want to follow either the curvature of your free edge if you would like it rounded, or straight across like I am, whatever look you are going for. And you're going to start where you want it to start, and then you're going to pull away from your nail and go straight out. Now that the white is put away, this is an optional. Some people like to go with what is done now. Others like to have a pink base. And today I wanted to have a glitter, a little bit of shimmer. I love glitter, and so I wanted my nails to have a little glitter. However, if I am not doing the glitter, then I generally just add my top coat and then would call it a day. But as you can see, today I decided I wanted a little glitter in my life. And I am only doing the one coat of the glitter, and then I am going to jump back to my base slash top coat, and I am going to put that on now. Something to keep in mind is in between your coats, you do want them to be dry for the most part, because if you try to rush it, then the nail polish will get messed up. Your white will start to bleed into the part you don't want it to be part of, and or your white will get all over your next nail polish coat. In this case, it would have been the pink, and just been a whole mess. So make sure that your nails are dry before applying the next coat. Once your top coat's on, allow proper drying time, and you've got yourself a French tip. I hope this was helpful. Until next time.